Here we go, guys. Just a real quick video on the DXY US dollar currency index showing, a bit of weakness here. It all started out up here in this upper range, of course. We had a high pivot here. The red dash line recently came up into that level. And then also a measured move. That green dash line is a measured move that our Patreon members know how to figure and calculate. And it has a 90% success rate. If you're below it, coming up into it, 90% of the time you get rejected, either, a short term for a day trade or a longer term trade. And then, if, of course, if you're on top of it coming down, it acts as support and you get a little bit of a rally, sometimes even a reversal in the market. But anyway, we had a consolidation zone here, several days just trading, a real tight price level. Had a reversal candle, potential reversal candle close here, where we were up into the high pivot and that measured move. And when you have two or more factors, which we did here, of course, and then with the close, the third factor, that gives you an 83 to 87% probability that your thesis will be successful. In other words, we were looking for more downside, and of course, here we are. And then this red, bearish engulfing clearing takeout candle that took everything out to the left and closed below our, previous support zone here at this, this pivot level. A lot of times you get a back test up into that level. And if you think about it, really, this is all from the top here all the way down. That's all, of course, I can't draw, but anyway, it's all one big red candle, if you think about it. And we couldn't even get, up past, the lower level of that candle, at least so far. Okay. And then had a potential sell-off candle here. See the wick all the way down. And then here we are today, of course. And then I wanted to put the 50 on there, which is going to be even, tougher to get up and over. Not that the dollar can't do that with a little help from its friends. But anyway, if we consolidate sideways, then that could push it up there. But as the 20 is coming down, you're going to have the 20, you're going to have the 50, you're going to have this previous support zone, which is now resistance. So you're going to have three different factors here, which gives pretty good odds probability that we're going to go lower on the dollar. And where we're looking at is, of course, the next moving average, the 100, down in this range. And that kind of lines up with this high pivot zone, little pause candle zone right there. Let me pop a line across there so you can more easily see that. I'm going to make that blue. And also, by the time price gets there, the 100 will probably be up into that line. So we'll have two factors here as well for a potential bounce. See, so we came like this, and this is probably where we're going to end up. So, and let me show you that again. Something real important, at a backdraft here, and then a shallow pullback. So far, they could, it could keep running, but with that shallow pullback, if we take out that low pivot here, then you come down into that zone. Okay. So that's how we, one of the methods we use to figure these things. But in the meantime, thanks so much for watching. We have our 50% off sale on our micro futures trading course. Link will be down below. And thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.